Namaste, crypto aficionados. This is the Digital Capitalist. Thank you for tuning in. Past few days not been really good because wrecked my laptop and I have issues with recording new projects. So I have an old clapped up a laptop, but that's not doing well. So I decided to do it on my iPhone instead. So if it's small, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor, and please do your due diligence. Cryptocurrency is very risky. You can lose all your money, right? Don't listen to a random person on the internet, especially on YouTube. So yeah, let's go. The next project that I'm going to bring to you is called PingNode, right? And PingNode is a Singaporean project. It's a Singapore project. Okay, so it's close to my heart. PingNode is on the mission to create leading network infrastructure and exceptional developer tools, empowering teams to build on and accelerate the growth of most promising Web 3.0 protocol, Polkadot. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of premise here. What you need to know about this project is what are they doing this? Why are they doing this? Okay, so the infrastructure requirements for Polkadot, right? So most interfaces such as explorers and wallets are built directly by Parity or the Web 3.0 Foundation because the independent developer community for Polkadot is still maturing. Excuse me. One key reason for this is lack of supporting infrastructure and the complexities of interacting with blockchain technologies. In order to communicate, view balances, send transactions, deploy smart contracts with any blockchain, whether it be established protocols like Bitcoin and Ethereum or newer platforms like Polkadot, the user must have access to a node. However, most users would not have the technical expertise nor the equipment to configure and operate a node. In order to interact with the blockchain, these users would often rely on secondary services to carry out their activities, ranging from block explorers to read and interpret transactional data, wallets to store, send and receive crypto assets, and exchanges to trade between different tokens. These services help to lower the barrier to entry for users and support the adoption of the protocol. On Polkadot, there is still a clear lack of such services for similar reasons. Developers and service providers are often unwilling to set up and manage a node due to storage, bandwidth, and memory usage challenges. Node management would also incur additional recurring costs in the form of cloud or physical servers that increase over time due to the ever-growing size of blockchain. So the bigger the blockchain, if the bigger it grows, the more data it has, it's more reoccurring costs for them. So this brings us to Infura. Okay, so Infura is basically for in Ethereum. I won't go to this, but if you look at Infura, right? I'm sorry, where was I? Okay, so in the case of Ethereum, a bustling ecosystem of platforms are connected to the network and users are able to choose between a myriad of wallets, exchanges, block explorers, and even advanced solutions such as multi-signature safes. However, most of these services do not actually run Ethereum nodes of their own. The key to this ecosystem lies in the Infura API suite, once described by consensus as the secret weapon of Ethereum infrastructure. Okay, put simply, Infura owns and operates Ethereum nodes and provides external developers with web APIs enabling instant access over HTTPS and WebSockets to the Ethereum network. This completely removes the need for local infrastructure and allows developers to rapidly build, test and deploy solutions onto Ethereum. So in the case of Ethereum, so there is something going on that we didn't know. I've heard of Infura, but I think that was a very long time ago. And so these guys are the one that is managing the infrastructure where people can just plug in their APIs and run on Ethereum, and that you can use if you want to build wallets, exchanges, block explorer. This suite actually, Infura runs the nodes that helps projects to run on Ethereum. So these guys, the Ping Node guys, they want to be an Infura for Polkadot. Okay, simple as that, right? So you must know what a project is doing, right? You can't just simply go and read on their website and know, but you got to read the backstory. What are they going to do? What are they trying to become? So Infura is big, but I don't think Infura has a token. If they had, I would definitely buy it. But yeah, but these guys are going to be the Infura for Polkadot. They're going to run that web API accesses to the Polkadot relay chain, and as well as future parachains to be deployed by the project teams. The later section is expected to bring about significant value as Polkadot is designed to function as a network of multiple parachains interconnected by the relay chain, as opposed to the single chain structure used by Ethereum. This would greatly reduce the workload and resource requirements for developers keen on working with Polkadot, as they would be able to directly send and request data via Ping node without operating their own Polkadot node. So you don't have to operate your own Polkadot node. You can just use Ping node, and probably Ping node would use that token, and people could, and that's how they will gain the revenue. Okay, let's interoperability between the parachains would allow for a quicker integration to new ecosystems while placing emphasis on front-end development instead of system administration. So they don't have to waste time doing all that, managing the node and all that. They can just develop their projects, right? Yeah. So okay, so I won't go through all this. Okay, the price model employed by existing infrastructure providers, it's over here. I'm reading from that old laptop that I have, because this is a bit too small for me, I can't see. Yeah, so I'm reading from the laptop, but unfortunately I can't record on that laptop. It doesn't record my screen. So yeah, the pricing model employed by existing infrastructure providers often functions on a tiered paid subscription structure with limitations on the number of daily API requests or computational resources relative to the subscription tiers. At Ping node, this model is replaced with a stake and burn structure of the native token P node. Developers can gain access to the API suite by staking varying amounts of P node in a smart contract, which would correlate with the number of daily API calls they are limited to. For larger scale implementations, a small quantity of P node would be burned at fixed intervals. This approach significantly reduces recurring fees for developers in favor of an upfront deposit, while encouraging an alignment of interest with Ping node and its community, right? I like the burn part, right? And if you read here again, a small quantity of P node will be burned at fixed intervals for larger scale implementations. It reduces recurring fees for developers in favor of an upfront deposit, while encouraging an alignment of interest with Ping node and its community. Yeah, I like this. Okay, and in the future there are plans to enable P node to function as a governance token. So in the future it's going to evolve into a governance token to steer ecosystem development, such as adjusting of fees for developers, number of nodes and geographic region of nodes, the order of parachains on board, and all that. So I think this is great. You can read up more on this if you want. I'll put the links below. Okay, so let's talk about the tokenomics, right? Let's talk about the tokenomics, the fundraising. Okay, for seed it's it's 1.5 cents. Okay, the seed round they are raising 100,000. Okay, which is at half a cent, right? Private is 2.5 cents. They're raising $600,000, and public is $80,000, and it's 3.5 cents. Okay. For allocation for the seed is 20% upfront and 13.33% monthly hereafter. For private is 25% upfront and monthly thereafter. Okay. But they're not shown how many percent of monthly thereafter. Maybe we'll check the other one. We will check the Medium article and see whether they have put that up there. And public is 50% upfront and remainder 1 week after. Okay, so this is the initial supply. The total supply is 200 million, and the initial market cap will be 500,000. Okay, so yeah, I think this can do well when it lists. Just got to be careful of this, the public part, you know, this part where they can dump. But I don't think so, because this project is, I think has some weight. And so these are the this is the roadmap. And okay, so now we are at Q2. So launch of MVP is due, and launch of developer dashboard and the public sale TGE, right? Q3 is governance contract for P-Note, onboarding users, onboarding parachains, and development of WebSockets, development of custom APIs, and load balancing for nodes in Q4. Okay. So what else do we look at now? Yeah, I'll just show you the website. This is their website. I'll put the website link below at the platform, right? Just take a look at the team members. Sarek Po, Benjamin Lau. This team is from Singapore. Good. Let's see if we can do we asked him if we can do a AMA. Okay, and then yeah, so this is the team, and then let's go to the whitelisting. Okay, Pink Notes whitelist for PokerStarter IDO is now open. Okay, it's on okay, the whitelist already started already, so quickly go and get your whitelisting done. The good news is that now for PokerStarter you only need 250 polls, right? So now one poll, I just checked, it was about $3.75. So 250 multiplied by 375 is about what, 900, I think it'll cost you less than $1,000, okay, for now, as of today, right? So there will be, so they have made some changes from 10th May onwards 2021. PokerStarter whitelisting will transition into the following. There will be only pools going forward, maximizing whitelist spots for token holders. So public without PokerStarter tokens, polls token, you won't get in, right? So we are introducing a ticket system where 250 polls equals to 1 ticket. This reduces the entry point requirement for pools from 3,000 to just 250 polls. No more wallet splitting if you hold more than 3,000 polls. We added bad luck protection, limiting wallets to winning a maximum of 1 IDO per week. Hey, that's good. Drastically increasing fairness across all token holders, right? Okay, so done. So you can read more there. You can go and read. Leave the link below. Pink Notes PokerStarter IDO details. Okay, so this for this project, Pink Note, the IDO date, take note, it's on Friday 14th of May 2021. The price per token is 3.5 cents, right? Public round raise is 150,000 with a total of 4.2 million P-Note tokens. 50% of tokens will be unlocked on TGE and 50% will be unlocked in 1 week from TGE. Okay, so if you're doing in the public sale, I think it's good because you have your access. So it goes, you can you know, if you sell, if it does 2x, right, and you sell half of your coins, right, you make back your money, right? So yeah, but maximum allocation of per person is $300. Okay, I think it's fair. Nice. I think they received a lot of feedback from people, so that's why they have changed this. And whitelist forms open on UTC 12 p.m. Monday 3rd May 2021. Whitelist form closes on UTC 12 p.m. Saturday 8 May 2021. How to participate in the Pink Note IDO whitelist? You need to join the Pink Note Telegram community channel, follow Pink Note and PokerStarter on Twitter. Okay, to increase your chances, comment, like, retweet the pinned whitelist announcement, tweet on Pink Note's profile. Okay guys, so you just follow all this. I'll leave this the link there. So guys, this is a good project, take note of it. I'm bringing you great projects. I'm trying my best to unearth great projects for you. I just need you to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification icon, right? Tell me what I should be looking at, guys. Tell me what projects that you want me to be looking at and comment below at the comment box, right? Thank you so much and you have a great day ahead. Yep, namaste, crypto effect.